Hey guys, now today I want to show you an advanced push-up variation and then how to combine it with my bodyweight drop set strategy to create an extremely effective home workout to help you build a bigger chest. Now I call this decline wall push-up, and the way you do this is you get yourself in a push-up position in front of a wall, a sturdy wall, and then you put your feet up against the wall. Then you contract your quads, you contract your ab, you contract your butt, and then you would simply do a normal push-up. Now this might look simple guys, but it's extremely tough. And because of the different movement where you have to push yourself back into the wall, this takes a normal push-up and sort of turns it into a full upper body exercise, and especially hitting your upper chest. But I want to show you guys an even better strategy if you want to use this and combine it with my bodyweight drop set workout strategy to create one insane home chest workout. So what you would do is you would start with the wall decline push-up and do as many reps as you can to failure. Then when you can't do any more, you drop down to a normal push-up, again go to failure, and then you will do one more drop set all the way down to knee push-ups, and once again to failure. That is one set. You rest 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and then you will do 3 to 4 more sets. I promise you, it's probably the simplest but toughest chest workout you will ever do, and you will feel your chest the following day. So there you go guys, another great exercise that you can use, and a complete push-up workout you can use to build a bigger chest right there at home. As always guys, if you enjoy using bodyweight exercises to transform your body right there at home, check out bodyweight.evo.com for our premium bodyweight challenge, and you can also check out sixpackfactory.com/free for all our free bodyweight challenges that you can get started with today. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye bye.